Decided to let my foot air out for a little bit. Well, mostly to let my boot air out. Got a little crazy with the water today. But also it's an opportunity for you to see what this is still looking like here on my foot. Welcome to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, and here is what we have been up to for the last few days. It is the summer of fun. I am out here in the garden of an evening, and there is some drama. So, Fernicus the cat, my kitty, is hanging out there. And, uh-oh, what do we have here? That's right, another cat who belongs to the neighbors to our right. Now, I had mistakenly thought for a time that he was one of Fernicus's babies from a past long ago litter. But the kids told me, no, that's the neighbor's cat, and he is not friends with Fernicus. And that's the one that we've been hearing her fighting with. Well, I had no idea this was the case, and the other night, this guy came to visit, and over here at the porch steps, they booped noses, and Fernicus seemed to welcome the visit and the, interaction. But tonight, this crazy guy, he jumped up from outside the gate, jumped up onto the gate, and then kind of climbed a little ways along that fence, and then hopped down. And then he came over here, and Fernicus was up here, and he he came and kind of said hi, and then he started heading up here, and I at him. That's a noise you make. And so Fernicus kind of looked at him kind of funny, but then she ended up going somewhere over here, and then he went to the door again, and he started coming back down the stairs, and then I think it's because I made the sound at him, the sound of disapproval, or made it known I was not welcoming him, because we cannot have another cat. And plus, he already belongs to the neighbors. He does have a home. So I think she was taking her cue from me. I am not a cat expert. We are new to all this drama of catdom. So what happened? Let me show you, sort of. So, Kitty did not boop noses with him, did not howdy do. He went and was kind of hanging out behind the trellis and over here, and then she was kind of, skulking about over here at the plants. And then he started, first he came over to the stairs, and I chitched at him again, and then she perked up and was like, whoa, what's going on? And then he started making his way over to the grass, and she was like right here. And so he's coming to the grass, and I guess looked at her funny, or it was because she thought he was trying to get to me. I don't know. But, she jumped at him and scratched his side. I mean, she, And so then he was like, oh, nope, we're done with that. And he went over that way, and then she went and laid down over here. Kitty, gatita. She went and laid down there, and then he went and made himself comfortable, as now he licks his ass. He went over there. So, the question, was it because of me? I don't actually know. Maybe you cat experts out there can tell me. Did she change her behavior toward him because I at him? Or maybe, it's also possible they've had a recent falling out, drama in the relationship. I don't know. These things do happen. I'm a married woman for almost 17 years now. Yeah, next month it'll be 17 years. Good Lord. So I understand there's drama, but let me show you something else. So he's up now and, doing his bath, but then he'll keep looking over at Fernicus. He's looking over there, and now he's looking at Fernicus. She is looking at the strawberry plant, or at nothing at all. Don't worry, neighbor's kitty. That was the other neighbors doing who knows what to make those noises over there. So he's made himself perfectly comfortable here in our yard, and I haven't chased him away. I'm not sure if I should. I don't want there to arise a territorial battle here in the enclosed part of our yard. We actually have a really big yard that goes like way all the way back, but this part is the enclosed part, and it's where I tend to hang out with Fernicus, and especially right now because I can't do much about going anywhere else and enjoying any of the other parts of the yard. And so to me, it's like this is our place, you know. Fernicus and I, of an evening, we sit out here together. So, I mean, he's still inside the fence, but he's not close to me, and he's not going up the stairs, you know, to the back door. And she now seems content, except, hold on, now she's seeing what he's up to. You know, that little side eye. She's over there just kind of, you know, sussing things out. Well, he makes himself comfortable next to the sandbox. This is a curious situation that I had not anticipated for this evening out here in the Laughing Place garden. But she's watching. She is aware. She's taking note of his every movement, and she wasn't before. What does it all mean? Stay tuned. Dun dun dun. Okay, male kitty visitor is on the move. He's measuring every step carefully. He's made his way over to the tire. Now what? It's your move, Fernicus. She's watching. Oh, now she's sitting up. The crowd goes silent. There she goes. Looks like he's going to get into the tree. I've heard him rustling about in there before. So he's going to, to the tire to jump over the fence. There he goes. He's on his way into the tree. And Fernicus, kitty, she's just watching, keeping vigil here in the Laughing Place garden. Gatita! Kitty! Notice her ears don't even twitch, even though they normally will at least twitch when I call her name. But they didn't, because she was so focused on the goings-on over there with Mr. Neighbor Male Kitty Cat, tonight's visitor. Will we see a return of male kitty neighbor's cat? We got to give him a name. Will Mr. Darcy return? Next time on the Chronicles of Fernicus. Kitty. Dun dun dun. 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 It's a particularly spooky evening. There's a spooky moon and a fabulous citronella candle. Take that, mosquitoes. They are the true horror. I'm feeling the Halloween feels. And dragging my son into it with me. There are so many of the hen and chicks blooms this year. I have never had this many. We've got this guy right here. That one there. You already know this one. Then we've got this beauty here. That one there. Let's see. I don't think we've got any in that one yet. Over here, this one looks like maybe it'll do a kind of a bloom, but we also, these are so cute. Look at all the little baby hen and chicks, the teeny tiny ones. Look at those, adorable. And then also, of course, these two. Yeah, it's crazy. Oh, that's a gift from Fernicus the cat. We find socks randomly everywhere these days. So some of you will remember that out front, I threw one of the old pumpkins out here and then just put dirt over it. Well, here's what happened. And then there's a few more right there. Those are, I think, a different variety, because I think there were 2 different squashes that I threw out here. Anyway, so when this initially popped up, I actually thought it was one of the hollyhocks, but no. It's squash. So it's also where I had just barely planted these other seedlings, you know, plants we grew from seed. So anyway, I've got these red wire cages that I salvaged. I can't remember if they were from a dumpster or a roadside pick, but either way, these are what I'm going to use. I wanted to do this like a ladder type trellis or something, but I just don't think that's going to happen. So let's give these a try. I had to bring one out for the tomato anyway, so we'll see what we come up with. But we're gonna get this off the ground. With some help from the kids, we got one of the ladders. I have 2 of this exact same ladder, both of them salvaged from the bins. So we still have one we can use, and this one is going to hold our pumpkins. And out front, we've got this one and this one over here. I need to get out the long shears so that I can deadhead those daisies and try to get another bloom before the season is over. And right here, we have a kitty. There are some weeds under her that need to be pulled, but I'm not gonna move her. We have a little summer storm coming up during a very hot week. This is marvelous. There is potential rain in the forecast. Yay! Whee!
I felt a drop.
Mimi felt a drop.
I got my arm.
We're actually able to sit out here, and it is only not even 6 o'clock in the evening. Normally, we are not comfortable out here till at least 8 p.m. And so we sit out here at night, and I end up staying up way too late because I want to enjoy my garden, but it's just too darn hot earlier. Whereas today, hey howdy hey, it's glorious. Oh, it's wonderful. No excuse to not go to bed on time tonight. Oh, he went behind the pot. I think he's climbing up the pot. Oh, nope, there he is.
Where?
He's slowly coming back out. Nope, now he's hiding. It's like he's playing peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
See, he like sticks his little legs out. Put your left foot in, you put your left foot out.
Oh, he's climbing it now.
Ugh.
I think he just fell. We're recording right now. Logan, come here. You can see a ginormous spider. Look, on the little wooden table. Oh.